Mabuhay! It's AllyCatcastle, and today let me show you how to do a soft cut crease pink eyeshadow tutorial using the BH Cosmetics Hangin in Hawaii eyeshadow palette. Let's begin. I love you! Starting with the Milani eyeshadow primer. This is a very good eyeshadow primer because once you put it on, it turns invisible. Think of your primer like your TSA pre. Once you have it, everything goes on so smoothly, and who doesn't want anything to go smoother? And now, I'm using the Paradise eyeshadow with the Real Techniques setting brush. And yes, I know it's a setting brush. It's pretty big enough that will actually occupy the whole crease. And we need to use a generous amount on this. And it just makes the job faster and quicker. And who doesn't want it fast and quick? I do! And now, we're applying the Aloha eyeshadow with the MAC 217 blending brush. This one is great because we need to create a little bit of more depth. So it's basically a color that's darker than the first one in order for us to build that momentum once we do the crease. So again, the purpose of this is to build momentum. Momentum, momentum, momentum. Just to give a good contrast. And that contrast is by doing a soft cut crease using the Estée Lauder Custom Coverage Correcting Duo with a Trish McEvoy Cream Blender brush. So you basically would like to start with a little bit of concealer first in order for you to create the shape. Once you create the shape, it's easier to add on another layer of concealer in order for you to set the shape in place and to create a home for the shimmer eyeshadow. Home sweet home! And now I'm spraying the Trish McEvoy Cream Blender brush with water. And then I dipped it into the shadow Hula, which is a shimmery light shadow. And you apply that right where you created the shape in a tapping motion. You want to do this slowly because you want to secure the color. And just like what I said before, you need to press it in, or in other words, you need to pack it in. So you press, you pack, you just go for it. And since we want to double the fun, I'm also using the same brush with a Luau eyeshadow, which is a pinky mauve colored shadow but has some shimmer. So it goes with the first one. So it's double the shimmer, double the fun. And now it's time to do our liner with wings, or in other words, wing eyeliner. So we basically use the MAC Pro Longwear Fluidline in Black Track with a MAC 263 synthetic small angle brush. And yes, we started right on the outside lash line, a little bit lifted, going thinner towards the inner lash line, and then connecting the ends of your lash line to the lifted line and filling in the gaps. I love using this liner because it has a perfect slip and it's very easy to work with. I've tried a lot of gel eyeliners before. Some of them can be dry. This one won't let you get dry. It's perfect, it's juicy, and it's easy. And it's very forgiving in case you commit a mistake. Speaking of mistakes, don't worry, we can always clean it up with the Estée Lauder Custom Coverage Correcting Duo with a Trish McEvoy Cream Blender brush. You start right on the bottom lash line, going up. Look how awesome this is. And then you just tap it on with your fingers and you're done. And now, doing the bottom waterline with the Nars High Pigment Longwear Eyeliner in Via Veneto. Just like I said, just like our gel eyeliner, it has a perfect gel-like feel. This is the same way. It just glides on so smoothly. You create little dashes and voila, perfect liner. And now we're doing the bottom lash line just so that we don't have any rough edges with the Morphe brush M165. You just apply a small amount of the eyeliner on the brush and glide the brush from your outer lash line to the inner lash line to have a smooth liner transition and then smoking it out. And once we're done with that, we will now be smoking our bottom lash line with the MAC pencil brush and Aloha eyeshadow. Again, you just start right on the outer lash line. It's always easier to go a little bit thicker on the outer lash line, and then you slowly go thinner towards the inner lash line because this one will give your eyes more of an almond shape effect. It also makes your eyes bigger And who doesn't want to have bigger eyes? And now we're doing a deeper smoke bottom lash line with Honolulu eyeshadow with a Trish McEvoy Voom smudge brush. And by using a deep color, you really create a perfect smoky line. Voom. And now for my bottom lashes, I'm using the Clinique High Impact Mascara in black. I love this mascara because for my tiny lashes, it gives the perfect body. And who doesn't want the perfect body without it being clumpy? And now putting on our false eyelashes. So easy. You start right on the center. You basically connect the ends. And after you secure them, there you have it. There you have our eyes. And always remember, your eyes are the windows to your soul. And I can see how beautiful you are, and I hope you see that too. Self-love is always beautiful. I love you! I hope you enjoyed that, but wait, before you go, let's do something fun, something light, and something very Filipino. As you all know, I'm a very happy person. We just have a very happy culture. And back home, some of us, including myself, sometimes get to interchange the letter P to an F, as well as the B to a V. So let me show you through these three common personas back home would say this sentence in their own way. So the sentence that I'll be using is, baby, what is your favorite flavor? Again, that's, baby, what's your favorite flavor? So let's begin. I hope you enjoy it. So the first common persona is pasosyal, or someone trying to be so high class, or social climber. Baby, what's your favorite playboy? Baby, anong favorite flavor mo? Oh, baby, what's your favorite flavor? And the next persona is pamacho, or someone trying to be too masculine. Babe, what's your favorite playboy? Baby, anong favorite flavor mo? Babe, what's your favorite flavor? Yun. And the last common persona is pa-girl, or someone who's trying to be too feminine. Baby, what's your favorite flavor? Oh, baby, anong favorite flavor mo? Baby, what's your favorite flavor? I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, as well as please don't forget to press the subscribe and the bell button so we can be together all the time. And again, thank you so much because we're more than 200 subscribers. I'm so appreciative. And if you think someone will enjoy this video, please don't forget to share it. I would so appreciate it from the biggest heart that you have. And also, again, this is AllyCatcastle saying, all of us are equally beautiful with or without makeup. I'll see you again next week. I love you. Mahal kita. Wow, you're so fabulous. Wow, you're so fabulous.